Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start right now by isolating the tail light assembly. You want access without force. Remove fasteners and carefully unclip the lens. Feel for hidden tabs so you don't crack plastic. Once freed, lay lens on a soft towel. Put on gloves and wipe surface grime with isopropyl. This removes oils that lock stains. Make sure to tape surrounding paint before proceeding to the stain removal step. It prevents solvent damage and keeps the job reversible. You'll now attack the nightshade stain with controlled solvents. Begin with isopropyl. Scrub gently with a microfiber and a soft brush to lift pigment. Once the stain loosens, switch to a small dab of acetone only on stubborn areas, applied with a cotton swab. Acetone works fast, so use short strokes and test often. As you work, rinse with water to prevent solvent pooling, and alternate cloths so you're not rubbing pigment back onto the lens. This staged approach preserves clarity. You finish by polishing the lens with a plastic polish and a soft pad until clarity returns. This restores light transmission and smooths micro scratches left by cleaning. Once done, inspect the gasket and replace or seal before reinstalling. Improper sealing invites moisture and restaining. If you see residual haze, make sure you didn't overuse acetone. If so, wet sand gradually with 1,500 then 2,000 grit and repolish. If problems continue, check for internal staining.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.